All right, we're not switching brands on you guys here, but we do have a very nice OBS 7.3 Powerstroke diesel truck that happened to make its way into the showroom, so I had to bring you guys a quick video. So this truck's got some miles on it, but I have personally driven it. Both gauges and sending units do work currently. That could change, but as finicky as Fords are, but both fuel tanks work. 7.3 Powerstroke turbo diesel truck. Clean body, typical couple very little rust spots. One in the bottom of the fender where they trap debris and rust from the inside out. And a couple little bubbles starting right here. I did have our body shop guy take a look at it. Obviously, you know, you could do a whole paint. This side needs nothing. Perfect all the way around. And nothing up here. It's crazy, but just one side. His suggestion was just to spot it in, $700. So not a big deal, just unfortunately with all these other crazy vehicles, I don't really have time for him to dedicate. Now the top surface of the paint is starting to fade some. So his thing was he could do the body and paint, send it elsewhere for a paint job, as he does not typically do any all over paints. But nothing wrong with the truck the way it is. Runs, drives, and operates great. Now here's the best part. This truck's been in here since yesterday at lunchtime, as we got extremely busy and I didn't have time to catch this video. This floor does not lie. Most everything in here ends up with a drip under it on these older vehicles. You would especially expect that with a high mileage 7.3 diesel. There's not a single spot on the floor, which is nuts. But if you look at the bottom of the truck, it's dry as a bone. It's also very rust-free. Not painted over, not undercoated over. That's all original gray sheet metal. So I would not call this truck rusty. Again, does it have those rust spots? Yes, but this is not a rusty truck. Inside the truck, it has the typical broke plastic surround right there. I think you can get those off eBay aftermarket now. The dash is in good shape. Console lid's in good shape. Factory stereo. Four-wheel drive shifter in the floor. Dinger off. Completely original truck, no modifications. Does not appear that it's ever been painted, because all your stickers are raw and original right there. Bed cover, it is an F250. Again, no detailing under the hood, completely a raw and original. Did not want my guy to hide or cover anything up, so there's been no paint underneath of it. There's been no cleaning under the hood prior to my video. He probably will get a hold to it, but I like to document these things when they're original. Big pet peeve of ours. Looks like somebody's been using some BG service. Batteries are fresh, interstates. Factory air box, all the factory components on the motor. Does have an upgraded compressor. That's a replacement AC compressor. AC does work. Michelin tires, 1996, 286,000 miles. Prices on the website. And a few of these older Fords that we're just there's one right there and one right here. I just don't have room to keep them indoors like these other square bodies and things, especially these less expensive ones. So I've got them priced to get gone. Factory Ford bedliner, again, no cleaning under here. So raw and original. One good solid truck. Tow package on the back, easy enough to put a fifth wheel or gooseneck in if you wanted. It actually has Michelin's on the back and some other style tire in the front, Desert Dueler all-terrain. Got the factory alloys, got all of its center caps. Good looking truck. OBS, Ford, classic. 7.3 Powerstroke with no emissions, and again, almost 24 hours sitting in this shop without a drip, which is crazy cool. DavisAutoSales.com. Check us out anytime. And Davis Drives on YouTube. Definitely known for our square body content, but we are no stranger to our Fords. OBS, brick nose, classics, dent sides, bump sides. Love our 7.3s. Got quite a few over there across the road. If you need anything equipment-wise, let us know. Happy to assist. Davis4x4.com and DavisAutoSales.com on Davis Drives on YouTube. Thanks for watching.